Welcome back, beautiful people, to another session of vocab with me, Anmol, in association with Mark Tutorial. Today we are beginning with a new letter N, basic words of which are presented henceforth. Without any further delay, let's get right into it. Nail, keel. He hammered a nail into the wall. Name, naam. What is your name? Nap, jhabki. I took a nap after lunch. Narrow, sankirna. The street was too narrow for two cars. Nation, Rashtra. India is a diverse nation. Nature, Prakriti. We should protect nature for future generations. Near, pass ya nikat. My school is near my house. Neat, saaf suthra. Her handwriting is very neat. Neck, gardan. He wore a scarf around his neck. Need, avashakta, zarurat. We need food and water to survive. Nest, ghonsla. The bird built a nest in the tree. Net, jal. The fisherman cast his net into the river. New, naya. She bought a new dress. News, samachar. I watch the news every morning. Next, agla. The next train arrives in 10 minutes. Nice, acha. She is a nice person. Night, raat. The stars shine at night. 9, no. She has 9 apples. Noise, shore. The noise from the traffic was disturbing. Noon, dopahar. We will meet at noon. North, uttar. The wind is blowing from the north. Nose, naak. His nose was red due to the cold. Note, ध्यान देना या note जो आप बनाते हैं. Please note the important details. Nothing, कुछ नहीं. He said nothing about the incident. Notice, सूचना या ध्यान देना. I noticed a mistake in your report. Now, abhi. Please do it now. Number, sankhya. He wrote the number on the board. Nurse. The nurse gave me medicine. Nut. Akhrot ya sukha meva. Almonds are my favorite nuts. November. November, the birthday. My birthday is in November. Noble. Mahan ya udar. He was known for his noble deeds. Nasty. Ganda ya bura. The weather turned nasty suddenly. Navy. Nausena. He serves in the navy. Napkin. Napkin ya rumal. She placed a napkin on her lap. Nectar. Amrit. Bees collect nectar from flowers. Nibble. Kutarna. Halka kutarna. She nibbled on a biscuit. Nickel. Ek dhatu. The coin was made of nickel. Neighbor. Padosi. Our neighbor is very kind. Normal. Samanya. It is normal to feel nervous before an exam. Nervous. She was nervous before her speech. Nobody, ya koi nahi, nobody was in the room. Nonsense, bakwas. Stop talking nonsense and focus on your work. Nearly, lagbhag. We are nearly there. Needle, sui. She threaded the needle carefully. Napper, chapki lene wala. My cat is a frequent napper. Nudge, halka dhakka dena. He nudged me to get my attention. Nifty, chalak ya kushal. That was a nifty trick. Noodle. Noodles जो खाते हैं. She cooked delicious noodles for dinner. Noisy. शोरगुल वाला. The classroom was very noisy. Nurture. पोषण करना. विकसित करना. Parents nurture their children with love. And that's that for today. I shall see you in the next one.